sir, if you have any message for the students, teachers, and staff.
Well, as I said before, the student should be able to find their own passion. While it is important to study, get good marks, but one has to be happy and one has to live a fulfilled life. I would like that every child tries to give back to the society. It doesn't mean that you have to give money. A smile can bring happiness to another person's life. A little bit of gratitude to your employee, to your co-worker, to your friends can also make a big change. So if you have that sort of a feeling, then it is something which will go a long way in your once you are out of school. So one, if you are passionate about a thing, and always try to reinvent yourself. You have to challenge your own self,
Yes.
because when you're competing, you're not competing with the outside world.
You are
You're
your own
competing with your own self. You know your weaknesses. One knows one's shortcomings. One knows where a student or a person gets distracted. So if you know your distractions and if you have a goal in front of you, then you will be able to ensure that you will be able to achieve something if you are able to survive in that difficult phase of life.
Yeah.
So I think one should understand one's weakness and count on one's strength and try to focus on one's strengths as far as possible. And as far as teachers are concerned, I think they have a great role to play because they are looking after so many children. And ours is a big school where there are 5,000 children.
Yes, sir.
And each teacher has a huge responsibility. So, the very purpose of becoming a teacher is something that one has to realize. And they have to work extremely passionately. Because if they have the passion, then the students will be learning much more.
Yes, sir.
And the purpose and passion, ultimately, professional development is another area where one has to focus upon. And we have also started a new vertical, which is teachers training, so that we understand the needs of the teachers, give them the right skill sets, attitudes, so that they further enhance their professional development, and individual attention to every child. As I said earlier, that personalization is very important because every child or every parent wants his child to be the best. So once we look after that aspect as well, so I am talking about the 4 P's as far as teachers are
Yes,
concerned.
sir.
It is the purpose, the passion, the personalization, and professional development of the teacher.
Mentors play a huge role in what the child goes on to become.
Absolutely. So if the teacher, you have the right teacher, I think the students get excited,
Yes,
they
sir.
enjoy their classrooms, and the fun of learning is also there.
Yes, sir.
And as far as the staff is concerned, they have to support the teaching community, they have to be more empathetic, and after all, we are living in a society, so the whole ecosystem and all the stakeholders have to be taken on board. So as far as the staff is concerned, other than the teaching community, although the teachers have to also do a parallel job, but both the teaching community as well as the staff who is supporting the teaching community have to work hand in hand so that they are able to bring out the best, and the parents and students feel that they have a trust in them. Because to develop that trust, that sort of a bonding and relationship is very much required.
A three-way symbiosis is required
Yeah.
for the perfect combination.
So this is what I felt was something that is
That
deeply.
was wonderful, perfectly. Thank you so much, sir. It was such a pleasure interacting with you and gaining an insight into your futuristic plans. I think most of us have always been in awe of you, but sitting here talking with you has been very comforting and very encouraging. So, gracias again. And we would like to present you with a small gift on behalf of the SHS family.
Thank you indeed. Thank you.